elections in West Bengal, the Babri provocation has intensified. 2 months after laying the foundation stone of the proposed Babri Masjid in Bengal's Murshidabad, the construction for the mosque has begun. With piles of bricks at the site and JCBs, the suspended TMC MLA Humayun Kabir declared that the construction of the new Babri Masjid will be completed within 2 years. But it's not just construction. The provocation gets louder. At the site, there was also sale of Babri merchandise. From cups to T-shirts, sellers were seen with I Love Babri merchandise being sold. As if this provocation was not enough, the MLA also threatened the police official, saying that on 14th he will surround the SP and take millions to teach him a lesson.
यहाँ कुछ मुसलमान को वो पुलिस वाला लेके वो एसडीपीओ बेलडंगा मुर्शिदाबाद बहरमपुर पुलिस पीडी एसपी वो कुछ मुसलमान और नाजमुल हक बोल के एक मुफ्ती है भगवान गुला घर है इनको लेके क्या क्या किया सब डॉक्यूमेंट्स मेरा पास आया तो एसपी को सबक सिखाएंगे 14 तारीख बेला 11 से 1 बजे तक 1 लाख आदमी लेके ये नया एसपी जो आया जो ये बाबरी मस्जिद को खिलाफ जो कार्रवाई कर रहा है इनको सबक सिखाएगी मैं 14 तारीख बेला 11 से 1 बजे तक.
My colleague Pooja gets us this report from the ground. Let's take a look.
Construction for the proposed Babri Masjid in Murshidabad's Beldanga has officially begun. We're currently at Beldanga, right near the site where the Babri Masjid will come up. What you see behind me are the huge excavators and JCB machines working here round the clock, and Humayun Kabir, as he claims that the entire masjid will be ready in the next 2 to 3 years. Today the work officially began. You can see several workers here who are involved in construction work, and there are hundreds of people who are coming from faraway places to take a glimpse and catch a glimpse of what really the Babri Masjid will look like. There is a huge gathering that is currently here at the site where the Babri Masjid is going to come up. You can see that there are arrangements in place so that it can accommodate a lot of people who are reaching here to catch a glimpse of the masjid. Today, the work officially began after a religious program that was conducted by Humayun Kabir. From 12th February, another program will commence in relation to this Babri Masjid. Humayun Kabir will be leading the Babri Yatra from Nadia District Palasi to Itahar. It will be spread across several days, where he is going to reach out to the people of West Bengal with the message of Babri Masjid, and also he will share details of the Babri Masjid. What you see behind me is work going on war footing, because as Humayun Kabir claims that the construction work will fully be completed in the next 2-3 years. About 10 crore rupees have been received here as a part of the donations, and about 2 to 3 crore worth construction material has been donated by a lot of people here. It could be stone chips, it could be cement, and it could be bricks that have been donated here from the people who are not just coming from West Bengal but from faraway places and want to be part of the construction of the Babri Masjid. In Murshidabad's Beldanga with video journalist Kaushik, this is Pooja Mehta for Times Now.
But amid the plans in West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath firmly stated that the Babri structure would never be rebuilt, not even until the end of time. He added that for those hoping for the return of the Babri structure, that day will never arrive, urging them not to hold on to such expectations.
डबल इंजन की सरकार प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में, उनके मार्गदर्शन में जो बोलती है वह करके दिखाती है, और जितना करती है उतना ही बोलती है. हम लोगों ने कहा था ना कि रामलला हम आएंगे, मंदिर वहीं बन गया ना, मंदिर अयोध्या में, कोई संदेह है? और हम आज फिर इस बात को कह रहे हैं कि कयामत के दिन तक भी कभी कयामत का दिन तो कभी आना ही नहीं है, और इसलिए बाबरी ढांचे का पुनर्निर्माण कभी होना ही नहीं है.
यूपी के मुख्यमंत्री ने बयान दिया है कि वो मस्जिद नहीं बनने देंगे, तो इसका जवाब आप कैसे देते हैं?
ये तो अयोध्या नहीं है ना, लखनऊ भी है नहीं, यूपी भी है नहीं, ये बंगाल है, मुर्शिदाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, बेलडंगा है, छेतिनिया मोड़ है. यहाँ को मस्जिद तोड़ेगी, मस्जिद रुकेगी तो यहाँ तो आना चाहिए जोगी जी को. जोगी जी को लखनऊ छोड़ के यहाँ आने दीजिए, फिर रुकने दीजिए, रुकने का कोशिश करने दीजिए। तो मैं क्या करूँगी, तो आने का